Welcome all. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes of your time to just keep you updated on the new and kind of exciting course that we're running, which is going to be Ultimate Ceramics. Now, I've been involved with ceramics for decades now, and certainly over the last 10 to 15 years, there have been fantastic advances in ceramics. I've been very lucky to be at the forefront of that, both clinically and in terms of publishing on all ceramic restorations. And we've had so much demand and so many inquiries about, oh, you do a standalone composite course. Could we have a standalone ceramic course? And I'm, really happy and really excited to say, yes, we're going to be doing that now. So what is the course going to be all about? Well, it's going to be a dedicated ceramic course. I'm going to take you through preparation techniques. I'm going to take you through bonding protocols, temporization, treatment planning, the whole range of ceramics. So all the way through from anterior veneers, working posteriorly, looking at onlay restorations, looking at bridge work as well. And we'll look at how we can deliver minimally invasive ceramics, but very highly aesthetic and long-lasting ceramics as well. So the course is going to have a very, very hands-on, strong component with a lot of tooth preparation, a lot of temporization exercises, using reduction indices, biologically controlling our preparations as well. I'm going to bring in all the clinical data to that and all my experience as well. So it will be a very practical course. It will be a very kind of evidence-based, but very much drawing on my decades of clinical experience with ceramics as well. I'm very excited as well that Michael, who is the technician that I've worked with for over 10 years now, he's from MPOP Dental Laboratory, is also going to be joining us. So we're going to look at all the laboratory aspects as well. We're going to look at CAD/CAM, we're going to look at scanning, we're going to look at milling, the whole range of current concepts in ceramics. So if you want to improve your ceramic skills and produce more predictable, more aesthetic, more long-lasting ceramics, then certainly this is the course for you. So hopefully I'll see you soon. Okay, take care.